Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Gangstar Vegas and tapping Multiplayer on the main menu to access online modes. This brings a list of quick match, ranked, and custom room options. Join Multiplayer from the main menu by tapping Multiplayer, then choose Quick Match or Custom Room. Quick Match finds a game with 2 to 8 players within about 30 seconds. Match sizes range from 2 to 8 players, and rounds typically last 5 minutes. You keep your single-player progress, wallet, and weapons when entering multiplayer matches, but ranked rewards require level 10 and above. To host a custom room, press Create Room, then choose Map, Player Limit, and Win Condition. You can set a password or give a room code to invite friends directly. To make a custom room, set Player Limit, Map, and Win Condition before inviting friends or using a room code. Use the in-game voice chat or quick chat phrases to coordinate strategies. Open the player list to mute toxic players instantly. Ranked matches require level 10 minimum. The matchmaker balances teams based on skill rating and recent win rate to keep games competitive. During matches, prioritize the mode objective rather than chasing kills. Capture zones, plant bombs, or secure briefcases to earn 150 to 500 XP per objective and speed up rank progression. Focus objectives first. Capture points, plant bombs, or steal briefcases, as the mode requires for 150 to 500 XP per objective. Customize loadouts before each round. Carry 1 primary, 1 secondary, grenades, and a vest to survive an average of 3 to 5 engagements. Win or finish in the top 3 to earn cash, experience, and multiplayer-only crates, with rewards ranging from 100 to 5,000 credits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.